Welcome back to another haul. Welcome. I spent around £100 yesterday on bits from the range that I have been needing and wanting, and then other stuff that I just didn't know I wanted, basically. So I've also got some other bits from another range haul that I thought I would show you today, which all in all makes this haul a little bit huge. So before we get into this haul, grab a drink, make sure you're comfy, subscribe. Rocking the natural hair today. What do we think, guys? Also, it's still a little bit wet, so the longer this video goes on, the bigger my hair is gonna get. So I'm just gonna jump straight in because otherwise this video will be way too long. I don't know where to start. I think I'm just gonna grab the closest thing to me, which is this. Also a little bit of a random object because I can't tell you what it's for. So this is basically outdoor wood paint, so you can use it on fences, your shed, decking, furniture, anything that you're going to want weatherproofing. I picked the shade Natural Stone. It's a really pale off-white colour, and this is for an upcoming exciting project that I'm not going to talk about in today's video. So if you want to find out what that is, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. It's going to be a hoot. So you get 2.5 litres in here and it was $17.99. So I don't know if it was more or less expensive than other places like B&Q, but while I was in the range I saw it, I knew we needed it, so I just picked it up. So next I picked up a lap tray. So me and my husband eat on our laps on the sofa in front of the TV every single night, basically. So this is the one I chose. It's basically like a tile print design, and it really reminded me of floor tiles that you get in Malta. So a little bit of nostalgia. So yeah, it's basically just a lap tray and it's got a cushion full of like beads, and this is the design that my husband chose. He loves anything to do with like the outdoors and stags. It's the same, it's just a lap tray with a cushion bottom, and these were $7.99 each. Now I don't know if that's expensive or not. I think I might have seen them cheaper elsewhere, but I knew we needed new ones because the ones that we've got at the moment, they're sort of like chipped on the corners, and I've ruined like 3 jumpers on them so far. So next up I picked up a load of artificial flowers. So these are for around the house, but mainly for my Instagram. So I love taking pictures of any products I'm using, and I just thought these would be a nice prop to jazz up my Insta photos. So these are pom-pom stems, and we have an ivory one here and then a blush pink one, and these were $1.99 each. They are really long. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to trim them down, but they look like you can do that quite easily. And then this one is an ivory peony. It's really pretty. And this was $2.49, I believe. Yeah, $2.49. Again, really long, so you can trim it down. And it's got like a little bud as well. And then the last one is this rose bouquet. Now this was $4.99, so this was a little bit more pricey than the others. But look at that. It's so pretty. So I've never been one for artificial flowers, just because unless they're really expensive, they do look fake, but real flowers are just so expensive nowadays. So I thought I would give these a try. And you can also spray them with like room spray because they're fabric, so they'll absorb it. So if you're wanting some affordable artificial flowers, they had so much more choice. So next up, if you're into arts and crafts and journaling and anything like that, you're gonna love these. I got 2 design pads. So these were $4.99 each, and basically what it is a massive pad full of like different designed paper. Really pretty. So if you want to jazz up your journals or your scrapbooking, these are such a good idea. They have loads of stickers as well. They are so pretty. More stickers. These are really cute as well. And then this one is same concept, but more of like a springtime design. Loads of florals and foliage. That's a cool one. That's just black and white. And this one has really cute like little quote pages that you can take out as well. And foil paper. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. And again, this one has some like sticker pages as well. So yeah, really cute. So I journal, so I'll be using these for my journal. Also, I just thought these pages would be really, really cute for like backgrounds for any sort of product photography. So next I picked up a big plain white frame and it was £3.39, and this would be really good for like prints that you can get off websites like Desenio or anything like that. But the reason I got this again for like product photography, because the idea is that I could just keep it white and plain, or I could put some pages from the design pads in here and actually like place like product or water or something on the glass, and then I can just wipe it away when I'm done with the photos. But if you were wanting to use this as a frame, it comes with a hook at the top for portrait and then one at the side as well for any landscape photos or prints. So sticking with the photography theme, I picked up a circular, basically mirror plate. So a lot of people just get these to put candles on, but again, I'm going to be using it for my photos, and this was £2.69, so quite a decent price no matter what you want to use it for. And again, a similar concept, I picked up a smaller rose gold glitter one. This was £1.69 and it is so pretty. You could just put things on it on like a dressing table or your bedside table and just like put your jewellery on it before you go to bed. Thought that was really pretty. So the last item I picked up with my photos in mind was a little container of crystals. So these are from the wedding section and they're just your decorative like table crystals, and they're in the champagne colour, and these were £1.99. So these would be really lovely for any sort of like wedding table decoration, but I'm going to be using them for my Instagram photos. One thing I got as well to go with the paint was a brush. This was £1.39 and it's an all-purpose brush. The paint says you can use it in like a spray paint bottle machine thing or with a brush. Obviously I've decided to go with a brush because otherwise I'd make a mess. Don't know what else to say about this really. So next up, I've just got a couple of food items. Now, I tried my best to just ignore the entire food section as much as possible, but the aisles that I did walk down with food in, I did pick a couple of things up. And the first, ladies and gentlemen, is hot dogs. These are great to sit in your cupboard, and yes, they're probably not very good for you, but they were £2.25, which is a little bit cheaper than in a supermarket, so I thought I'd pick them up. And the last food item is flying saucers. These were £1. They're probably my favourite sweet. Actually, no, they're not. I don't have a favourite sweet. I love all sweets. So I've just got a few more bits to show you before we move on to the cleaning products. And the first is some Epsom salts. I have never tried these, I don't think, or I don't remember ever trying them anyway. And I've heard they're really, really good for relaxation, for like any muscle aches and pains. And these are the Epsom and Dead Sea salts with lavender and jasmine. And they have valerian in them as well, which is really meant to chill you out, I think. And this was £3.99 for a kilo bag. I think I might get something pretty to decant these into. Next up, I picked up my favourite bubble bath. These are the Imperial Leather bubble baths and they are amazing. I've already got the calming one in my cupboard, and I've purchased Polynesian Paradise and Sweet Peony Pampering Spa, and then Moroccan Sunset and Golden Argan Oil Indulgent Spa. Wow, that smells like spring. That's got like a really pretty floral scent. It doesn't like really give me spa vibes, but I love it anyway. Love that one. I don't know how to describe that. It does smell like an argan oil hair product. Love that. So next, I picked up another mug. I have a mug obsession, but how pretty is this? This is the Oslo design mug, and this was only £1.99. They had like entire dinnerware sets in this design, and I was this close to replacing our entire dinnerware service because I just love this like simplistic design, and I just love how the bottom is like rough and bare as well, where it hasn't been glazed. It's so cute. Moving on to cleaning stuff now. I picked up 2 new bottles. Bottles? Are these bottles? Containers? I picked up 2 new Lenore Unstoppables. These are so nice. I've nearly finished my Golden Orchid scent Unstoppables. So I picked up Ruby Jasmine and Exotic Bloom. Can't wait for my clothes to smell of these. They add like a really strong scent to your clothes without giving your clothes that really, I don't know, like greasy feels. Sometimes if you put too much fabric softener in with your washing, I feel like you can feel it on your clothes, but these don't do that, and you get like really strong scent to your clothes. And also you can put some of these in like the little net bags and put them inside your cushions on your sofa, so that every time you like sit down, you get like a burst of ruby jasmine. You could also put like little bags of these in your drawers as well with your clothes, and I think that will make them smell really nice. So yeah, can't wait to use those, because that is my life. So next up is something that I don't really know why I purchased. There's a specific brand, I can't remember what the name of it is, but they do like a white vinegar spray, which is amazing for glass and chrome, and that's what I wanted. But this is what I picked up. Now I know Elbow Grease are a really good brand, and this is their streak-free glass cleaner with vinegar. So I'm hoping that this will work just as well. It's for windows, mirrors and glass surfaces, but I'm hoping that it works on chrome as well, seeing as it's a vinegar spray, and it was only £1, so I thought I'd give it a go. So something else that I wanted to pick up from the range but they didn't seem to have was the Dettol mold and mildew spray. That is amazing for your grouting in your bathroom. If you just spray that and leave it and then just rinse it off, it's amazing, but they didn't have any, so I thought I would try this brand. Now this is Astonish, and it's basically the same concept. It's mold and mildew blaster, and again this was just £1, and it's quite a big bottle as well, which is a good thing because we tend to just spray the entire bathroom in it, leave it, and then just rinse it away, and like your bathroom tiles are blinding afterwards. So yeah, I will probably try this in a future vlog and let you know how it does. Next we needed some washing up liquid, so I picked up the Fairy Lavender and Rosemary. That smells so nice as well. Like you can really smell the lavender, but it's not like sickly like lavender can sometimes be. I think it's quite fresh because of the rosemary. So yeah. If you've made it this far into the video, I commend you. We are nearly there. Next is something that I've seen somebody pick up from B&M, and I have been searching for it in every B&M visit, and I just can't see it. So when I saw it in the range, it went into my basket so fast, and it's this. This is a spray bottle squeegee invention. This was £1.99, and basically you just fill up this little bottle. Best believe I'll be putting Zoflora in here, or the white vinegar spray, and you just basically spray and squeegee. Genius. So I can't wait to use this on our windows and the shower screen and anything that I can squeegee. Next, in a little bit of a feeble attempt to freshen up our 15-year-old carpets, I picked up some Shake and Vac. This is the Glade Shake and Vac, and it has an odour neutraliser and is in the fresh lemon scent. That smells okay. It smells a little bit like industrial lemon, not fresh lemon, so that's a lie. So basically the idea is you just sprinkle this all over your carpets, leave it, and then hoover it up, and it gets rid of odours. I mean, let's face it, we need new carpets, but the landlord's not even interested in fixing things that are broken, let alone decor. So we're on the last cleaning item, and this is probably my favourite thing of the whole haul. It's a scrub mummy in the shape of a cat. This was £2.99, and I already have one, but I could not care less. It's a cat. It even has like little ridges for its whiskers. Oh my god, so cute. But even though this is probably an unnecessary purchase, I thought the ears would be really good for getting like in between stuff and like in tile grouting. So I think it's justified. We are on the final item, and I don't really know how I'm going to show you this. I'm going to have to zoom out. So I've zoomed you out a bit. Please ignore the crap here. And the last thing is a set of drawers. So these are going in our bathroom because I currently have boxes of Lush products under the sink, which is probably the stupidest place, because if we get a leak from our sink and it drips down onto my Lush stuff, there'll just be like a massive foaming rainbow in the bathroom. So they need to go away, along with other stuff. Like, we don't have space to put like toilet rolls or face cloths or anything like that. So it's just like a little 3-door unit. It's not really heavy, by the way. I'm not like Superwoman. It's quite light. It's got 3 drawers, which are quite deep. So I've just spotted that we were overcharged for these. Only by about £3, but still. So this is the Panorama 3-drawer white unit. And on the tag it says it was $26.99, but we were charged $29.99 for it, even though my husband got the tag out and she scanned the tag. So if you get these from the range, just double check what goes through, because I don't know if they've got the ticketing wrong. But anyway, I'm not going back for £3. It probably cost me more than that in diesel. So yeah, I'm excited to put these in the bathroom, fill them, and then on the top I think I'm going to put a little basket with some face cloths in and maybe a plant. So that was everything I got from the range. Well done, and thank you for making it this far. Let me know if you've been to the range recently, if you're going to pick up or have picked up any of these items. I am going to head off and play with my new drawers now. Please like the video if you enjoyed it, comment, share, subscribe, ring the notification bell if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from me. But that is it from me for now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!